Hi guys, this is Rashmi. When frequency is given along with the class interval, then first of all we find out the highest frequency value. Here 47 is the highest frequency value. Then we use the formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower class limit or lower class boundary of the model class. The corresponding class interval of the highest frequency is called the model class. Here 47 is the highest frequency and the corresponding class interval is 40 to 50. Therefore 40 to 50 will be the model class. In the formula, L equal to lower limit or lower boundary of the model class. What is lower limit? Lower limit will be applied when exclusive class interval is given, and lower boundary will be used when inclusive class interval is given. In this question, the given class interval is exclusive class interval. When the upper limit of the first class interval and the second class interval lower limit is same, then that is called exclusive class interval. Here the first one is 10 to 20, then the second one is 20 to 30, but see 20 upper limit for the first one and 20 is lower limit for the second one. Therefore this is a exclusive class interval. So in case of exclusive class interval, L will be lower limit of the model class. We have already found that 47 is the highest frequency. Therefore the corresponding model class is 40 to 50. Therefore here L value will be 40. Now the next value F1. F1 is the frequency of the model class. Then F0 will be the frequency of the class preceding the model class, and F2 will be the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. H is the length of the class interval. Here F1 value will be 47 because it is the frequency of the model class. Then F0 will be the value 32, then F2 value will be 30, and H is the length of the class interval. Therefore H equal to 10. Now we use the formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So substitute all the values. Already we have find out the value L, F1, F0, F2 and H, and you will get the answer. So that answer will be called the mode value.